All right, everybody. We've got a 2011 Bowman Chrome hobby box from my pal Karnage. We've already hit 2 Harper Autos out of this case. There's only 4 boxes left after this one, but neither of the Harper Autos were the base auto, so we're still looking for the base auto of Harper. We can actually hit, you can hit two refractor autos of them too, but I think we're looking for a base Harper auto at this point. Alexi Ogando. Bryce Harper. Nice hit. Old Bryce Harper. Shelby Miller for the Cardinals. David Bromberg for the Twins. Refractor 10 out of 500. It's like a 1 out of 50. That's like an eBay 1 of 1 gold refractor. Just so you know. Starling Marte, Scott Cousins. Aroyd. Chipper Jones. Jake McGee refractor. He's a Ray. Didi Gregorius and Delman Young. Oosh says she misses watching our breaks, but we're live right now. Oh, you did hit a refractor auto though. Kivia Sampson, 387 out of 500. Hey, she's back. 387 out of 500. You guys are frozen? We're still okay on the video. So hit refresh, guys, because I don't want to stop the video until the packs are done. Matt Lawless. Pure, huh? Oh, wow. There you go. Jonathan Singleton. 9 out of 99. Nice card. Nice little die cut. I don't know what the hell you call that. Atomic or something like that. This was a really good case. It's orangey, right? Yes, it is. It is orangey. Gene Segura and Manny Machado. Dustin Ackley, rookie refractor. Devin Mesoraco. Lucas Duda. John Pettibone. And last pack for Karnage. And he's got a Gene Segura and Nishioki. Alright, bud. So you got a nice little Harper. Kivia Sampson auto to 500. And a Jonathan Singleton. 9 of 99. So it's like 0 out of 999. That's an eBay 101. Yeah, an eBay 999. All right, guys. Let me put that up on eBay for you.